Now, I don't want anyone to say that they did not hear about my group cruise Carnival Festival, August 21st to 29th of 2027. We will be sailing to St. Thomas, San Juan, Puerto Rico, Amber Cove, Dominican Republic, and Celebration Key, of course, Carnival's private destination island. Right now is the time to put down your $50 deposit. It's a year ahead. If you put down that $50 deposit now and start paying over time, you can be paid up for your trip well before the trip. It's always harder to pay for the trip at the time of. It's going to be more expensive. The price is going to fluctuate, but I do have alerts as to when prices go down, and I will be personally monitoring all the prices for this cruise so that I can give my clients the best option. For anyone that has filled out the inquiry form, please put Carnival Festival in the note, or if you're filling it out for just another sailing, put that also in there so that I know which inquiry I'm applying to and I'm responding to. Thanks.